In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Visa gift card and a credit card to your Apple Wallet in 2025. As digital wallets continue to become the norm, knowing how to effortlessly add your cards can make paying for purchases simpler and more secure. So let's dive right into it. First off, make sure your iPhone is within reach. The Wallet app is built into every iPhone, and it's what we'll be using today. So, begin by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. The app's icon looks like a simple wallet with colorful stripes, and you can either find it on your home screen or pull down on the screen to use the search feature if you have a lot of apps. Once the wallet app is open, you'll notice a plus button on your screen, typically located at the upper right corner. Tap this button to start the process of adding a new card to your wallet. By selecting the plus sign, you are linking a new card to your Apple Pay, which enables you to make transactions swiftly and securely. After tapping the plus button, you'll see a series of options. Choose the one labeled debit or credit card. This is where you'll tell Apple Wallet that you intend to add a new payment method, in this case either a Visa gift card or a traditional credit card. Next, tap on Add Debit Card. This option is available if you're adding a Visa gift card or any other debit card. It's important to highlight that using a Visa gift card is similar to using a debit card, so the process is much the same as adding a credit card. Follow on-screen instructions to enter your card information or use the camera option to scan the card details automatically. Now let's shift our focus slightly to discuss how you can redeem your Apple gift card in just 6 simple steps. For those moments when you've received a gift card that you want to use on apps, music, or movies, here's what you'll do. Start by scratching off the label on the gift card to reveal your unique code. Then open the App Store app on your iOS device, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or iPod. In the app, tap the sign in button, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. Once signed in, choose the option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. Here, you have the choice to use your device's camera to scan the code or manually enter it if visual scanning isn't an option. After inputting the code, simply tap Redeem and your gift card should now be successfully added to your account. By completing these straightforward processes, you'll be all set to enjoy the convenience and security of digital transactions through Apple Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and guides.